Hello everyone, this is our in-car panoramic shooting equipment. We have a button here. After you click, you can perform automatic bracketing shooting. At the same time, we can also perform remote Bluetooth remote control operation on the mobile app. When we directly click the switch here, the camera will automatically perform bracketing, exposure shooting. Everyone pay attention to the sound. The camera will automatically rotate the angle after the shooting is completed. We are using a full frame size SLR camera plus a Canon 12mm fisheye lens. So we only need to take 4 to 6 horizontal shots to finish the panorama in the car. Of course, there are traces of tripods on the ground. We need to use post-processing to shoot. You can see that the camera is automatically rotating and shooting. When it was finished filming, it goes to the next angle. It automatically stops in the middle. It will wait until it is completely still before shooting. Of course, we can also set this order on our mobile app. The app only supports Android system. Well, you can see, let's go down first. Now, he's shooting from the last angle. This time we set the shooting from 4 angles.